Good evening, Karina Carvalho with ABC News. The state government has bought a massive Cape York cattle station in a bid to stem hundreds of thousands of tonnes of sediment pollution flowing into the Great Barrier Reef every year. Environment groups and scientists are hailing the purchase of Springvale station as a huge victory for reef conservation. Mark Willisey has this exclusive report.
It sprawls over 560 square kilometres of Cape York. For generations, Springvale has been a cattle station, but it's also been exporting a more damaging product.
What the scientists tell us is that this one property is responsible for 40% of the sediment running into the Normanby River system and ultimately into the Great Barrier Reef.
That's 50,000 tipper trucks worth of sediment. That's a line of tipper trucks that would extend from Brisbane to Gladstone parked end to end.
This sediment is channelled through these massive gullies caused by generations of grazing. To help control the estimated 500,000 tonnes of runoff from Springvale into the reef every year, the Queensland government has bought the cattle station. The purchase price, $7 million.
If by buying this property we can drive down sediment at the rate that the scientists say we can, I think that will be money very well spent.
It is an unprecedented action. Never before has a government bought land to protect the water quality of the Great Barrier Reef.
The sediment that flows from Springvale ends up in the once pristine northern section of the reef.
That area of the reef has been extensively coral bleached this year, and if it has bad water quality, the corals won't come back, the corals will turn to slime.
It may have cost $7 million to buy Springvale Station, but it could take millions more out of state coffers to fix its riverbanks and to fill its massive gullies and to stop sediment flowing into the reef.
Now that's expensive work, something like $56,000 per hectare, but it's incredibly valuable work.
The minister says the government may buy other properties that also present a pollution threat to one of the world's great natural wonders. Mark Willisey, ABC News, Brisbane.